What's up guys, Chigs there from Chigs Tech Reviews. Alright people, here we have the Coros Apex Pro Premium Multi-Sports Watch. Alright, let's unbox this, see what this is all about. Quick start guide, paperwork and watch people. Put the watch to the side, see what else we get. Charger, so we've got a USB, looks like a magnetic charger. We'll have a look at that in a bit. Now this watch is designed for endurance athletes with GPS route navigation, 24/7 accurate health features, and it's actually super premium in build quality. The watch case is made from stainless steel. The bezels are made from grade 5 titanium alloy. And if that's not enough, you have sapphire glass protection on top. Now you are looking at a 1.4 inch always on display. Battery life, 30 days. If you were to keep GPS on constant, it will give you 40 hours of battery life. Now some of the features, you've got 24/7 heart rate, 24/7 blood oxygen monitoring. You've got a built-in pulse oximeter. You can see notifications get pushed through as well, and they are read-only notifications directly from your phone. You've got automatic sleep, step and calorie tracking. You can also sync your data to Strava via the Coros app. So lots of great features, a real fitness athlete's watch. It's not your typical consumer smartwatch that you guys are used to seeing on my channel. This is more Garmin territory. It's designed for athletes. It's for your running, your GPS, super accurate health tracking, hence the high price tag. Build quality is amazing. This is a 10 ATM water resistant watch. You do have 3 buttons on the side. So you've got your light button, which switches on the backlight. Then you've got your fitness button here where you can actually activate various different fitness exercises, and there are lots to choose from, lots. The list just goes on, and it's a scroll wheel as well, so you can scroll through all of your apps. You've actually also got changeable watch faces, and I want to quickly show you that, a few of them. So these are all the watch faces that are stored on the watch, but then you also have your smartphone app where you can actually download a lot more watch faces. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot. There's a lot of watch faces that you can install on this watch. And we are going to have a quick look at the smartphone app. So on the top you can see your calories, your workouts, you've got active, energy, exercise time, steps, heart rate and sleep. And any of this information can be viewed in detail by just tapping. And that will give you your daily, weekly and monthly averages. And the same applies to all of these categories, including steps and all the different exercises that you do. If you tap on workouts, you can see it immediately starts uploading all the workouts you've done. And I did 2 workouts just to test the watch out. So I did exercise bike, and you can see the date, the time. You can open any one you like. So if we open the longer one, it gives you all the information there. So workout time, average heart rate, 112, calories burnt. Your training load is telling me 40L, which is low. You've got a heart rate chart there. And check out that detailed information you have. Training effect, lap. A very detailed health tracking. And I was especially surprised to how good the sleep tracking was. So if you check out the sleep tracking, look at that. It gives you a full detailed report of your sleep, and it also measures your average heart rate and your heart rate range. So that is brilliant. And you can check precisely at what time your heart rate was at what level. So you can see over here there was a dip in the heart rate just about 3 a.m. My heart went to 63, and just before that it was at 79. The sleep tracking on this is incredible. I've not come across any watch that can give you sleep tracking on this detail. You've got something called Evo Lab. You can check out and set different fitness goals, workout programs, training plans, etc. So you've got lots of health and fitness options over here. If you tap on device, you can check out your workout data, you can do firmware updates, and since I've worn it, I have done 1 firmware update, so at least we know that's working. I want to show you the watch face. Now check this out people. You've got a massive library of watch faces. So you are spoiled for choice. There are a lot of watch faces that you can download free of charge, nothing to buy here. If we tap one of them, it says select the watch face to replace it. You can only have 5 watch faces installed at any one time. So you need to replace one in order to install one. So if we just replace face 2, and click confirm to add. It says replace face 2 with this watch face. Yes, please. So it's downloading, and now it's already downloaded. It is now sending. And it does take around 60 seconds to send that watch face to the watch. Quickly show you the customization options you have here. Check this out. So you can customize the workout menu, which I briefly showed you earlier, and the toolbox. So this is the workout menu. It is quite extensive. You can add and remove workouts, but you can also change the order around to suit your own preference. So I like doing indoor bike. I'm going to put that somewhere at the top and hit save. You can also customize your toolbox. So these are basically all of your apps. So you can again move things around and customize it to your own preference. Another thing I want to show you is third-party app support. So if you go to the Evo Lab and hit settings, you will see there third-party apps. So you can connect any of these third-party apps. So you can see we've got quite a few popular ones, including Strava, Training Peaks, Apple Health, and WeRun. So Apple Health, I can turn on all categories and hit allow. If I was using Strava, I can hit Strava and I can connect now. And that will access your profile, activity data, and upload your workout to Strava. You can also change your units, and you can also link other accounts here. Extensive smartphone app. Now this watch is premium in build quality. We're talking about stainless steel, sapphire, titanium bezels. It is a beauty and it feels really comfortable. But the only thing is, you haven't got an AMOLED display. This watch is designed for the outdoors. It's designed for an active person, you know, someone who's into their sports or hiking. You've got a backlight. This backlight is for when it's dark and you're indoors, you can hit the backlight. But otherwise, if you're outdoors, you will see everything on this watch bright and clear. Now you can't navigate with touch. So you have to use the buttons in order to navigate. Navigation is quite easy. So you unlock it first by twisting and then you will see all your options. So we are going to run through some of the features. So you got your watch face first of all. If you scroll up, you got your running performance. If we scroll again, you got your fatigue information, recovery information, and then you have calories, heart rate, and this is an all-day heart rate sensor. It's constantly checking your heart rate, but every time you go to it, it will give you a brand new reading. So you can see it's reading right now, and there you can see we have our reading, and that's in real time. And that is supposed to be super accurate, and you know I'm about to check that. So this is the O2 ring. It's a medical grade oximeter. It can check in real time your blood oxygen and your heart rate. So we're going to compare the results. We're doing a test right now. The O2 ring is showing 87, 88, and we've got 85, 92, 85, 86, 88. It's gone to 90 now, 91, 93, 92, 93, 93, and then that's dropped down to 87, 86. So that will give you an idea of how the heart rate sensor compares to a medical grade sensor. If you tap the middle button, it will actually show you detailed information. You can see all the timings and you can scroll between the timings. Now I just put this watch on. I wasn't wearing it today, so I haven't got more information there, but if I had wore this all day, this whole thing would be covered. You can go back and forth and check what your heart rate was at any certain time, which is absolutely brilliant for those who need to track their heart rate. Okay, so if we swipe up again, I'll just show you what else you have. And again, so the reading here is your barometric pressure. Do correct me if I'm wrong. If we keep going, you've got your skin temperature over here, so you can see 31 degrees skin temperature. Swipe again, you got your sunrise and sunset information. How cool is that? And you can see we just got a notification again. If you click, you can actually scroll the notification. You can keep scrolling and it will go to the next notification, or you can delete. So I'm going to come back out of that. Here's your sunset and sunrise information, notifications, and then back to the watch face. I love the navigation and control. It's very smooth. Every time you move that dial, you'll feel some haptic feedback. So it does feel good. You can feel haptic feedback on your wrist. So you can actually feel the vibration on the crown as well. So when the crown turns, you got a very nice vibration feedback. So that feels good. Top button is your light. Now let me quickly run through all the apps. So if we keep the button pressed, okay, you got system, do not disturb, compass. I think I need to show you guys the compass. You see how instant that compass loaded, no configuration needed. So you got broadcast HR, you got your SpO2. I'm going to open the SpO2. We're going to do a quick SpO2 test. So 96% SpO2 with the medical grade O2 ring. We are currently measuring on the watch. So we're waiting for the watch to give us a result. And you can see it says 99% blood oxygen, but the medical grade is telling me it's 96. So that's what you can expect. I'm going to measure it once more to see what we get, and I'm going to stay still. So 99% again. So I'm not too sure about the accuracy of the blood oxygen. Let's go back. Next app, battery usage. It says 47% remaining. Okay, I've been wearing this watch for a while and you can see the information there. 47% left. Estimated daily use 12 days left. Maximum use 14 days. And if you keep the GPS on constant, if you're going for a long trek and you just keep the GPS on constant, you can get 19 hours. Last time this watch was charged, 28th of June. Since last charge, it's been 4 days. So 4 days going strong. It even shows you the usage here. Look, check this out. System, backlight, 27%. Daily heart rate, 25%. GPS workout. Don't forget, this is 4 days of consumption. And it's just showing you what the consumption is. 757 notifications from my phone in 4 days. Brilliant battery life. If you have this watch, you don't need to worry about the battery life. So let's see what other apps we have. You've got metronome. If you tap it, it gives you BPM. If we open that, you can set alerts. So when your heart rate gets to any of these levels, it will vibrate. So you can see it's making a noise, but it's also vibrating against my wrist. And then you've got your sound tones. If we go back, scroll up on the crown, you've got Ultra Max off. If you try and turn it on, you get that message. If we keep going, you've got navigation. Again, if I tap that, it says add a course on the Coros app. And then you can use the navigation feature. Go up, you've got map, save location, satellite signal. And now swipe up, you've got a stopwatch. That's actually quite cool. You've got timers, got alarms, watch faces I've shown you. You've got night mode, and we're back to settings. I do like these simple OS and simple navigation. Everything is so easy and quick to navigate, and the scrollable crown and the haptic feedback you get from that feels really satisfying. Now there is also an optional external device you can use. It's called the Coros Pod. So this is a performance optimization device. If you wear this on the back of your shorts, joggers or trousers, it will give you advanced metrics. And you can see there, it will give you ground time, cadence, stride length, left and right balance, stride height, stride ratio, and form power. So an already detailed watch can be further enhanced with this product, basically giving you even more detailed information for you super health freaks out there. An option is there if you need it. There you have it, guys. My few days with the Coros Apex Pro. So this is an incredible watch with an impressive build quality, with so many health sensors and an impressive battery life. The built-in apps are also quite extensive, and you also have some third-party app support where you are able to link with fitness apps like Strava. The health tracking and GPS is no doubt super accurate. The only thing to mention, the blood oxygen gave me no other result other than 99%. So maybe it needs a firmware update for that to kick in, or it could just be me. But other than that, 30-day battery life is impressive. This fitness watch has a lot to offer. A very good navigation experience with that scrollable crown, and I do love that haptic feedback. It's very, very satisfying. You have heaps and heaps of detailed health stats, which I've not seen any other watch that presents it in that way. So you got so much detail, like being able to see exactly what your heart rate is whilst you are sleeping, and you can see exactly what time the heart rate dips and rises. And it's so easy to just scroll through it with the crown, and you have, of course, a very useful and detailed smartphone app. So definitely an incredible experience for me, trying something new. As most of you guys know, I am more into my Samsung and Apple watches. I'm into my AMOLED screens. When I saw this watch for the first time, when I saw the LCD display, I was like, what? You have to give it a chance. And when I gave it a chance, the watch blew my mind. So if you're someone who wants a real fitness watch that will last, premium build quality, 10 ATM water resistance, great 24/7 health tracking, and amazing automatic sleep tracking experience, then the Coros Apex Pro is sure to impress you. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.